Hi children, welcome to our new maths lesson and we are doing unit 19 mass and I am going to continue this chapter. We have left one more lesson in this chapter that we will finish today. Our lesson is lesson 4 reading weighing scales. Okay, this is from student book page number 100 and workbook page number 200 and 201. Okay, now we can see what is discussed in this chapter. Here, this is about reading weighing scales. Okay, first lesson we already discussed how to read the measurements in a weighing scale briefly. Okay, now we will discuss it with more examples. So, first we will find the equivalent of half, quarter and 1 by 10 of a kilogram in grams. Okay, that is the first thing I am going to discuss here. So here you can see a fraction wall. In that it is written 1 whole and making 2 equal parts means 2 halves. Then 4 equal parts means each one is called quarters, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, like that. Then the next one you can see there are 10 parts. I divided a whole into 10 parts and each part is called 1/10 that we already learned in our fractions chapter. Okay, I am going to compare it with the kilogram. 1000 gram or 1 kilogram I took as a whole and I divided it into 2 equal parts means half of 1000, half of 1000. So what, how much it will be? Each will have 500 gram, 500 gram. Okay, so what is half of 1000 gram or half of 1 kilo? It is 500 gram. Okay, now the next picture you can see there it is written, it is made into 4 equal parts and each part is called quarter, 1 quarter. Okay, so what is 1 quarter of 1000 gram? 1 quarter of 1000 gram is 250 gram. Okay, so each part I marked with 250 gram. Okay, so what is quarter of 1 kilogram? It is 250 gram. Okay, now from the above fraction wall, it is very clear that half of 1 kilogram equal to 500 gram, or we can find by the fraction wall or by the fraction of an amount that we already learned in our chapters before. Okay, so how we will find it? 1000 divided by 2, then what is it? 500. So this is also one method and you can follow this method also, or fraction method, this fraction wall method also you can follow. Okay, what is half of 1 kilo? That is 500 gram. So we can write it as decimal in as 0.5 kg. Okay, so three ways we are writing it. 0.5 kg, it is equal to 500 gram. It is also equal to half kg. Okay, so what is quarter of 1 kilogram? You can write it as 250 gram. How you can find? Using the fraction wall, or quarter of an amount means divide the amount by 4. So here the amount is 1 kilogram. Change into 1000 gram, divide by 4, you will get 250 gram. So how we will write it as a decimal? 0.25 kilogram. Okay, so these all things we discussed too many times, because we know that 0.25 is 250 gram, 250 quarter, they are equal. Okay, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4 also we discussed in the fractions chapter. 3 by 4 is 3 into 1 by 4. It means 3 into 250 equal to 750 gram. Okay, now how we will write it as a decimal? 0.75 kilogram. And when we are using decimal, you should write kilogram, the biggest unit. And if you are writing it in grams or the digits, you have to write as 750 gram. Okay, so and if you are using the fraction, also you have to use the big unit, kilogram. Okay, now 1 by 10 of 1 kilogram. What is 1 by 10 of 1 kilogram? See the fraction wall. The last one I have divided it into 10 equal parts and each part is called 1/10. Okay, so what is 1/10 of 1000? How we will find it? We can find by dividing 1000 by 10. Means fraction, the method of using fraction of an amount. Okay. So 1000 by 10 is, what is 1000 by 10? 100. So each 1/10 means 100 gram, 100 gram, 100 gram, like that. Okay. So what is 0.1 kilogram? Means 100 gram, or equal to 1 by 10 kilogram, kg. Okay. So you understood what is half of a kilogram, quarter of a kilogram, and 3 by 4 of a kilogram. Okay. Sometimes they will give you 2.25 kilogram. So what does it mean? It is 2250 gram, because 2 is coming on the units place, and 0.25 will mean 250 gram. 2 kilogram will mean 2000 gram. Sorry, 2 kilogram means 2000 gram, and 0.25 will mean 250 grams. So together 2250 gram. Okay. Here you can see some of the weighing scales, and each weighing scales, the divisions are different. Okay, they marked different divisions. Okay, so we already discussed in our lesson 1 how to read a weighing scale, but this is very important to read the weighing weight or mass correctly. Otherwise, whatever work you are doing using the mass of the object, that will be wrong. Okay, so you have to know first how to read the divisions on the weighing scale. Okay, so we will see first one. In the first one, you can see it is having 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with red color. So how many kilograms we can measure using this weighing scale? 0, and it is measuring 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 4 kilo, then it will measure 5 kilo. Okay, so they didn't show it, that doesn't mean it will not show 5 kilo. It will, we can weigh till 5 kilo using the first weighing scale. Okay, how many in 0 and 1? There are 10 divisions. Okay, so in the middle it is shown that 500, so that is 500 gram. 0 and 1, between 0 and 1 kilo, there are 500 gram. Okay, so what the each division will show? 0 to 1, if there are 10 divisions, means 1000 is divided into 10 parts. So each will show 100 grams. Correct? 100 gram, 300 gram, 400 gram, 500 gram, like that. Okay. So between 3 and 4, it will be 3100 gram, 3200 gram, like that. Okay. See, you can see the 4500 is coming between 4 and not 0, 4 and 5 kilo. Okay. Now see the second one. In the second one, we can measure till 10 kilo weight. Okay, this is the maximum weight of the weighing scale. We can measure 10 kilogram. Okay, and you can see there are between each kilogram, between 2 kilograms, there are 10 divisions. Okay, so this will also show 1.1 kilogram, or 1100 gram, 1200 gram, 1300 gram, like that. Okay, so the pointer is correctly showing 4 kilogram. Is it? Now you can see the next third scale. There is an apple kept in the weighing scale, and it is, the pointer is with blue color. It is marked the weight of the apple, and it is clearly shown that 0, 5 kilogram, 5000 gram starting point. What does it mean? The weighing scale starting from 0 and ending in 5 kilogram. So we can measure the maximum weight we can measure is 5 kilogram. Okay. Now the divisions are same, like 0 to 1. It is divided into 10 parts. So each part will show 100 gram, 100, 100, like that. So what is the weight of the apple here? It is 100, 200. What is the weight? 200 gram. Okay. So if the question is draw the pointer and according to the mass you know how to draw the pointer. That also we discussed in our first lesson. Okay, now you see here some of the conversions I gave here. What is it? 2.25 kilogram, that means we already discussed 0.25 is 250 gram, so 2.25 is 2250 gram. That also I explained how we will write it as a fraction of kilogram. 2 1 by 4 kilogram, like that. 1.1 kilogram, how we will write it as a fraction? So first you can write it as a write it in gram. How we will write? 1100 gram, or 1 by 10 kilogram. Why? Because 100 gram or 0.1 means 1 by 10 kilogram. So 1 by 10 kilogram. Okay. The last one, 9.75 kilogram. It is written in grams, like 9750 gram or 9 3 by 4 kilogram. Okay, so I hope you understood the reading the scales very clearly. We will discuss some more examples with the decimal divisions in the next lesson. Okay. Here you have a page, workbook page 200 as homework. Only one page you have today, because tomorrow I will explain the decimal divisions, then only I can give page number 201 as homework. Okay, so please do it, and it is very easy, only writing the measurement or the weight given on the